we're waiting for our primer to dry, let's talk about how to figure out how much resin we're going to need. So if you Google Moss Epoxy's resin calculator, Moss Epoxy's is the resin that I am using, and then plug in the length of your piece. So mine here is 10 inches by 8 inches. And I only want a 1/16 inch coat. Like, I don't want a really thick coat because we're putting several of them on here. The intent is for 3 coats of resin, but I don't necessarily need them to be very thick. So I'm using the measurement that they have here for 1/16 of an inch. So 0.0625. And then it tells me exactly how many ounces that I will need, 2.75 or whatever ounces. So now I know for each layer, that's how much resin I am going to mix up. So that way I'm not wasting excess resin or having too much of it flow off of it, drip off of it.